The title of the poem is
So, man.
Pride. We all know what pride is all about. So sometimes we think that with pride we can go to heaven or God knows about it. But this poem of mine talks something about
Love your beatboxing, bro. So
pride.
much. Give it up.
My pride, don't be proud, for you cannot stop the hair falling. My pride, don't be proud, for you cannot stop the nail growing. My pride, don't be proud, for you cannot stop the skin aging. My pride, don't be proud, for your status cannot do anything. My pride, don't be proud, for your wealth cannot buy everything. My pride, don't be proud, for you can't stop the death coming. My pride, don't be proud, for you are worth nothing. Thank you, sir.